So we are awaiting the response. Up to the 29th and the 30th, we are going to wait for the response. So depending on the response of the central government, our people will move further on.
So you are saying that there will be no peace until this suspension of operation
No
with
peace.
few of the Kuki militants is revoked.
Yes.
So, are you going to pressurize, mount pressure on the Union Home Minister to revoke this few?
Revoke this. Our number one demand is revocation of the suspension of operation. Until and unless this SU is withdrawn, there will be no peace. Peace will come later on after the abrogation of the suspension of operation with the Kuki militants.
What is the total distance of this raid?
It is about 2.5 kilometers. Around about 30,000 people, I think.
There was communal clash between Manipur and Manipuri Muslim and the Meiteis. That lasted only for 2 days. But this incident happened on the May 3rd. But why it is lasting so many days? This is very much fact that the SU, this military and Kuki military under the SU, they are impoiling. They are foiling us. This is instigated by them. Other than that, it would have been finished long back. So we blame that SU should be abrogated at the earliest. This is our demand also.